thunderstorm warning for southern Ellis County in north-central Texas, northwestern Navarro County in north-central Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Italy, or 15 miles south of Waxahachie, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Ennis, Italy, Blooming Grove, Bardwell, Alma, Barry, Bardwell Lake, Bryce, Milford, Frost, Retreat, Oak Valley, Emhouse, Dresden, Avalon, Corbett, Foreston, Howard, and 5 Points. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 378 and 392. Interstate 45 between mile markers 239 and 248. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Imagine a doubleheader.
The current